Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will build an intuitive understanding of sensitivity analysis for project risk management and learn to read a tornado diagram to focus our risk responses. First, what is sensitivity analysis? It measures how sensitive the project outcome, like total cost or finish date, is to each uncertain input. In other words, if a small change in one input causes a large change in the outcome, that input is highly sensitive. Here is an intuition. A small change in one input, like a 10% increase in steel price, can cause a much larger jump in total cost, especially when that input drives many downstream expenses. Now, how does sensitivity analysis work in practice? Step 1. Define the outcome. Step 2. List uncertain inputs. Step 3. Vary one input at a time while holding the others constant. Step 4. Measure the impact by comparing to the baseline. Let us set up a simple illustration for a cost analysis with a plus 10% change on each input. Suppose the impacts on total cost are as follows. Steel price, 180. Productivity rate, 120. Task A duration, 60. Exchange rate, 40. We will use these to build a tornado diagram. Now, the tornado diagram, it ranks inputs from most sensitive at the top to least sensitive at the bottom. Longer bars mean larger impact on the outcome. Interpretation. The top bar, steel price, is the longest, so it has the largest potential impact. This is where we focus first, for example, by locking prices or finding alternatives. Why is sensitivity analysis crucial in project risk management? It helps us prioritize risks, plan contingency reserves, make better decisions, and communicate clearly with stakeholders. Let us quickly walk through the one-at-a-time approach. I will nudge each input by 10% and mark the change on the tornado. Summary. Define the outcome, list uncertain inputs, vary one at a time, measure impact, and use a tornado diagram to prioritize. Start with the biggest bar. Thank you for watching from PM Expert.